Bullish Tezos value forecast is $1.650 to $2.910. Tezos, Xtz, cost could likewise reach $5 soon. Bearish Tezos cost expectation for 2022 is $1.284. In Tezos, Xtz, cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, Rival, and other data about Tezos to break down the future development of the digital money. Tezos, Xtz, current market status. As indicated by CoinGecko, the cost of Tezos, Xtz, is $1.57 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $32,232,281 at the hour of composing. In any case, Tezos has expanded by almost 3.5% as of now. Besides, Tezos, Xtz, has a coursing supply of 900,081,960 Tezos. As of now, Tezos, Xtz, exchanges digital currency trades like Binance, Upbit, FMFW.io, OKX, and Wirebit. What is Tezos, Xtz? Tezos, Xtz, is the local cryptographic money of Tezos. Tezos is an open-source, savvy contract-based blockchain that works with the creation and advancement of shrewd agreements and dApps. The blockchain is gotten by a changed confirmation of stake, POS, called Fluid Evidence of Stake, LOPOS. Exchanges are added onto the blocks and approved by a gathering of validators called dough punchers and endorsers. Pastry specialists are the ones who stake Xtz tokens and make new blocks, while endorsers approve the blocks. Clients can stake Tezos, Xtz, tokens to approve inders and secure the blockchain. Token holders get casting a ballot rights and take part in the organization's administration. Tezos, Xtz, value expectation 2022. The above graph of Tezos, Xtz, spread out a slipping channel. Sliding channel is otherwise called the falling channel. A dropping channel is shaped by two equal trend lines. The upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, run parallelly downwards. This example is normal for a negative market. Presently, Tezos, Xtz, is in the scope of $1.57. Assuming that the example proceeds, the cost of Tezos could arrive at the obstruction levels of $1.902, $12.805, and $4.120. If the pattern switches, then the cost of Tezos might tumble to $1.256. Tezos, Xtz, backing and opposition levels. The graph beneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Tezos, Xtz. The graphs show that Tezos, Xtz, has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, Tezos could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its opposition level at $2.910. Likewise, assuming the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Tezos, Xtz, could dive to nearly $1.284, a negative sign. Tezos, Xtz, value forecast 2022, Rival, Mama, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of Tezos, Xtz, is displayed in the diagram beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. As of now, the RVOL of Tezos lies over the end line, serious areas of strength for demonstrating in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal, Mama, of Tezos, Xtz, displayed in the graph above. Remarkably, Tezos, Xtz, cost lies under 50 Mama, present moment, so it is in a downtrend. As of now, Tezos has entered a negative state. Hence, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Tezos whenever. In the meantime, the general strength file, RSI, of the Tezos is 47.02. This implies that Tezos, Xtz, in an almost oversold state. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of Tezos might happen in the impending days. Thus, dealers need to painstakingly exchange. Tezos, Xtz, value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list, ADX, of Tezos, Xtz. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of Tezos, Xtz. At present, the ADX of Tezos lies in the scope of 15.313 and hence, it shows a frail pattern. The above diagram likewise addresses the overall instability record, RVI, of Tezos, Xtz. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of Tezos lies over 50, showing high instability. Truth be told, the RSI of Tezos, Xtz, is at 47.02, hence affirming a potential purchase signal. Correlation of Tezos with BTC, ETH. The underneath diagram shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Tezos, Xtz. From the above outline, it very well may be deciphered that ETH, BTC, and Tezos are moving in a comparative pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and Tezos likewise increment or abatement separately. Tezos, Xtz, Value Expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern turns around, Tezos, Xtz, could most likely achieve $7 by 2023. Tezos, Xtz, Value Expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Tezos, Xtz, could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Tezos could revitalize to hit $9 by 2024. Tezos, Xtz, Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Tezos, Xtz, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, Tezos would energize to hit $11. Tezos, Xtz, Value Expectation 2026. If Tezos, Xtz, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 4 years, Tezos would revitalize to hit $13. Tezos, Xtz, Value Expectation 2027. If Tezos, Xtz, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 5 years, Tezos would revitalize to hit $15. Tezos, Xtz, Value Expectation 2028. If Tezos, Xtz, holds up areas of strength for and as a superior